Hi, I'm Jennalee on week 5 of the age management category, and this week I wanted to share how I've incorporated NeoGenesis products into Erin's treatment and home skincare regimen to tackle several concerns, particularly to enhance her healing and reduce signs of aging and pigmentation. So what sets NeoGenesis apart is its revolutionary S²RM technology, which uses over 350 types of proteins, growth factors, and cytokines all encapsulated into exosomes. And this mimics the body's natural healing processes, delivering targeted repair to areas of our skin that need it the most. One of the star players we're using is the Booster, and this product is particularly powerful with a 40% concentration of S²RM technology. It's formulated with sodium hyaluronic butyrate, a type of hyaluronic acid that's exceptional at reducing inflammation and providing a light hydration. And the Booster not only soothes and calms the skin, but it also has tyrosinase inhibitors and targets signs of aging, which is a bonus, making it a versatile addition for her skin. I'm also using the NeoGenesis Skin Restore Serum, which features a unique form of vitamin A, retinoate. This ingredient binds directly to the retinoid receptors in the skin, offering immediate benefits. And at a gentle 0.2% concentration, it's even suitable for when the skin is feeling compromised. It's enhancing collagen protection and production and stimulating its synthesis without the harsh side effects typically associated with retinoids. And it's also fantastic for promoting cellular turnover and reducing her hyperpigmentation. I'm also using the Mandelic acid 8% serum, and this product stands out to me because the Mandelic acid remains on the skin surface longer than other acids, making it incredibly effective at breaking down her hyperpigmentation from various causes like post-inflammatory pigmentation or sun damage. And then additionally, it's an alpha hydroxy acid, so it's drawing moisture into the skin, improving the texture and appearance of the lines and wrinkles. And then finally, I have the Barrier Renewal Cream, and this product is a treasure for anyone dealing with a sensitive or compromised skin barrier. It contains all the lipids that are naturally found in the epidermis, including cholesterol-free fatty acids and ceramides. So this cream is incredibly amazing and effective for natural barrier restore.